The client came to us needing a modelling solution. They had 51 tanks filled with 19 different types of waste. They tried to model their problem themselves, but ended up with a lot of very complex data. On top of this, equipment breakdowns and deadlines compounded the complexity of their situation. We used the latest dynamic flowsheeting tool, PSEG prompts, to create a dynamic model of an entire and very complex nuclear facility. We created a friendly user interface and results, the form of which can be seen here. The model predicts equipment breakdowns and finds the optimum emptying strategy, integrating things like plant and maintenance availability and compatibility of waste streams with plant waste acceptance criteria. This visual and interactive display allows you to access results and make strategic decisions without excessive analysis.